welcome to another travel video. Today we are heading to Mendocino County. We're gonna do a waterfall hike at the Russian Gulch State Park. It takes about 3.5 hours to get here from the East Bay. So we have about 30 more minutes to go. Yeah, about half an hour to go. So right now we're just kind of driving through the Redwoods. It's super nice, super cool. But yeah, come along for the adventure. Alright, so we made it here to Mendocino County. We just had a little snack to get our energy level up. It was quite a drive to get here. So right now we are looking for the trailhead, and yeah, let's see if we can find it. Okay, so we believe this is the trailhead to the waterfall. It's a waterfall hike. But we'll find out to see if there's any waterfalls.
I'll be sorely disappointed to find out if there isn't any. This is called Horse Camp Trail, by the way.
I'm pretty sure it's called something else. I will mention it up here. This is a super last minute, like, spontaneous trip. The original plan for today was to go to Big Sur, and then we checked the weather there, and it's like 99 degrees, which is like, oh my gosh. That's the reason why we are leaving the Bay Area, is to escape the heat. So we googled Mendocino County and it showed that it was around 70s, so we're like, okay, that's much better. So we drove up here. 3.5 hours approximately is how long it took for us to get here. I don't know if that's accurate, maybe closer to 4 hours. But so far so good.
Oh crap, it says I'm ending my workout.
You just started.
Why?
5 minutes into the hike.
No, we're here. 8 minutes.
Okay, 8 minutes.
East
So
Trail.
Fall Loop Trail, East
There it is.
Trail.
I
is
see
it
the word
this way?
waterfall and I want to go towards it.
All right, well, I guess we'll go this way. This is actually a really nice hike. So we actually, like 5 minutes into the hike, we saw a sign that said East Trail, 0.8 miles to the waterfall. So we took that towards the left. Mind you, the trailhead is not very easy to find, but there was kind of like a sign at the beginning of the trailhead that said Horse Camp, something like that, on the right side of the road. But it's a nice shady hike, which is awesome because it is a bit on the warm side even for here. So far this trail is really nice. It's just us and the trees and the birds, and it's really quiet. Beautiful. So I think we're almost to the waterfall, even though we can't hear anything. It might be something really minute.
Drip, drip.
Drip, drip. But so guys, do you think there's a waterfall at the end of this trail, considering that it's the end of summer and I don't hear anything except peace and quiet?
And the dog.
But stick around with us and let's find out together if there is a waterfall at the end of this trail.
Reach the fork. Which should we go? Right? Left. Dun dun dun. Good. Alright. We went left or straight?
We went straight, which is on the left side. There's a little creek.
I hear something, and it ain't a waterfall.
Whoa, be careful. Looks like the trail has disappeared.
Alright. Are we doing this?
Let's do it. Donna's going into the wilderness. Seems like the trail has disappeared.
Yeah, I think we're going the wrong way.
Oh, okay, so I guess it was the other way.
Because it kind of ends and then you gotta cross that log.
Okay. Alright, we went the wrong way. We're gonna go back and hang a right. There's no signage, so you just kind of have to go with it, wing it. Also, remember to bring your mask for when you come across other people, and you can put it on. Oh, I hear something. Some stairs. Oh, we're at the top of the waterfall. And there's a walkway down to the viewing side, so let's go check that out. We made it, guys. I know it's not much water because it is towards the end of summer. It's still pretty nice. Alright guys, so we made it to the falls. It only took us about 1 hour on so you start off on the north loop trail and then you go on the east trail. So it's just 1 hour to get here. So probably 2 hours round trip. So yeah, the falls isn't too strong right now because it is end of summertime, but it's still really pretty to look at. To the falls! Yay! Only took 1 hour to get here, but it's beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here, I think. But thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!